Hello guys, today we're going to be looking at cells in Microsoft Excel. So what is a cell? So a cell, we can say that a cell is, an intersection between column and a row in Microsoft Excel. So in Excel, the columns are labeled with capital letters. As you can see here, you have column A, column B, column C, column D, right up there. So the columns can continue. You can literally have like hundreds of columns, depending on the amount of data that you want to put in. You know, think of like a census being carried out. You can imagine the number of columns that you have, or the number of rows rather. So you can literally have like more than 1,000 rows. So the columns are labeled with capital letters, and the rows are labeled with numbers. So how do you know the name of a column? So in order to know the name of how do you know the name of a cell rather? In order to know the name of a cell, you just have to look at the column the cell is found on and the row it is found on. For example, if you look here, you will see that this is column A. So any cell, so these are cells, right? That's a cell, that's a cell, that's a cell. So any cell which is found on this column is going to have any cell which is found in this column is going to have A on its name. So it's going to begin with A. And depending on the row, that is going to be the second, character on its name. So this is cell A5. Why? Because it is found on column A and it's found on row 5. So you have that there. So this part up here displays the cell you're currently on. So as you can see, that's A5 there. So that's basically it. So you can guess, right? Let us try to look at this here. So here we have $6,281. Let's try to guess what the name of this column will be. As you can see, this on let's guess the name of this cell. Sorry. As you can see, this cell is found on column C, and then it is found on row 8. So we can guess that that's going to be C8. You can see that is C8 there. So that's how you name a column in Microsoft Excel. You just look at the name of look at the name of the column the cell is found on and the name of the row the cell is found on. So like here, it's going to be, let's say this one down here, it's going to be D10. Because it's found on D, then it's found on column 10. So this is cell D10 as you can see there. So that is how you name